Hi, I'm Todd Cooperrider with Esoteric. Welcome to our FAQ series. Today's question: should I clean the exterior of my car with steam? We've seen a lot of videos, a lot of information out there about steam cleaners, using them on the exterior of the car. Here at Esoteric, there's simply no way that we would do that kind of process on it. You've heard us talk even against things like waterless washes, rinseless washes. We truly believe that there's no safer way to clean the car scratch-free than to use your traditional 2-bucket method with lots of water to rinse everything off on it. Now, if you look at those videos about steam cleaning, it looks like they're doing a great job, but one thing they don't show is they never come up with a light and do a close inspection with a paint to see what kind of scratchiness. Now, it's not to say that it is the worst idea in the world. There may be a lot of detailers out there that use that primarily as their way to clean cars. Maybe you're in an area where you've got water restrictions, or you're not working at a perfection level like we are. This car behind us here, this unbelievable Mercedes E63S, that was done in a special Nardo gray. We're polishing it out. That was about an $11,000 option on that car. You get cars like that are polished to perfection, you want the safest methods possible. And for us, it would not be an option. Doesn't mean it's not an option for you, but people like to ask our opinions on what we would do. I wouldn't use it on my car. I wouldn't use steam here in the shop. So hopefully that helps answer that question. So if you want to find out more information about how we like to wash cars with our 2-bucket method, just click on the next video here. It will go into some of those details. As always, if you have any more comments or questions, leave them below. I will personally go on there and answer them for you.